Lost your Chase debit card or noticed fraudulent activity? If you need a replacement quickly, you're not alone. Today, we're ordering a replacement Chase debit card the fastest way possible. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Chase offers several ways to replace a lost, stolen, or damaged debit card, with options for different speed needs. The fastest method: use the mobile app. Open the Chase mobile app, go to your account, and tap Replace a lost or damaged card. You can order a new card with expedited shipping that arrives in 1 to 2 business days. The alternative: call customer service. You can also call the number on the back of your card or on chase.com. The representative can immediately deactivate your old card and order a replacement. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: lock your card immediately in the app while you search. Before ordering a replacement, use the Lock Your Card feature in the Chase app. This instantly blocks new purchases while you look for your card, giving you peace of mind. If you find it, you can unlock it just as easily. So, just like that, you can secure your account and get a new card quickly. Acting fast goes a long way in minimizing disruption and potential fraud. Now I'm curious, have you ever had to replace a debit card? Did you find the original after ordering a replacement? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.